What's up, guys? I want to make a quick video here on my Bobcat T66. I've been getting a decent amount of questions in regard to the frame seal kit that was installed on this machine. You can see some of it here, this foam here, some rubber in there. If you follow the channel, you'll know a couple months ago I had that kit installed by Bobcat, and a lot of people have been asking me, you know, how is it doing? Is it fixing the problem with the amount of dirt that was getting under the cab? And that's what we're going to find out today. I have about 100 hours on the machine. I know the machine looks pretty clean right now, but that's because I just did some snow removal about 2 weeks ago. So we did a lot of dirt work though. Prior to that, I had a geothermal job where we dug a couple 100 yards of material, moving it around with the Bobcat, you know, filling in, backfilling, the whole 9 yards. So these were packed pretty good with dirt at one time on that job site. I'm gonna pull this guard off real quick, move that pile of dirt. When I finish that, I'm gonna lift this cab up and we're gonna take a look inside to see how well the seal kit is doing. So we have one load. What I like to do when I can is always test it to make sure she'll dump. Yeah, that's heavy, but she's going. Okay. That'll work. Definitely no more. All right, we got that dirt pile out of here, pretty much graded out. I gotta, you know, do some fine tuning. I'm probably gonna get a little bit more stone thrown in here, but for now this is good. It took 3 loads of dirt, and they were pretty heavy. They were about 7 tons apiece, which don't tell anybody. That overloads my trailer just a little bit, but anyways, it's all good. So now the moment that everybody's been waiting for, we're going to get this cab lifted up and we're going to see what it looks like in the compartment underneath. Hopefully there's not too much dirt. All right. Well, so I am not very impressed, guys. I was not expecting that. I was really hoping it was going to be a lot cleaner in here, to be honest with you. I figured there was going to be, I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. People that have other brand machines, let me know if you see this much dust in here. Yeah, I thought it would have been cleaner. You know, I expected, got a light here, I expected some like crud over here by the hoses, you know, because some stuff was still going to sneak in here on this side too, but I did not think there was going to be this much dust in here. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty dusty. Let me climb in a little further, take a look. Everything back there is dusty. Because we were running, like I said, we moved that job that I did the geothermal at, I think it was like 700 or 800 yards. But then again, I guess maybe I won't be too critical, because previously, I mean, there was, I don't know, a 2 or 3 inch layer of mud in the bottom of this thing. If you didn't see that video, I guess I'll link it in the description and leave a card up top. So maybe this little bit of dust is not that bad, but like I said, you guys that have different machines, different manufacturers, let me know what it's like underneath the cab of your machine. Like if this much dust is normal, well then maybe I, you know, should just be happy with this. It just seems crazy to me, because there's so many electrical components and everything else to be getting this much down here. And it's hard to tell where exactly, you know, where it's coming from. I guess it's just from everywhere, really. It's probably sucking in. You can see there's so much dust right here on the seal, so it's probably, some of it's sucking in there, and who knows where else. But anyways, guys, I'm not going to bother cleaning this right now. This is getting ready to go out to a job. I think I mentioned it in the last video that I did, that we're going to be starting a retaining wall. We're going to be doing that. Today is Thursday. We're starting that on Monday. The existing wall that's there actually fell over from the wind, but I'll get into all that on the video, so stay tuned for that. As usual, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already.